Most people will never make money online because they're choosing the wrong business models and expecting to become an overnight millionaire. In this video, I'm breaking down the most realistic side hustles that you can start straight away as a complete beginner and make at least $1,000 a month. Side Hustle 1. First is a print-on-demand business. This is when you design t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies and sell them online without making or storing anything yourself. Instead, you use a third-party service like Printful, which will print out your design onto the product and ship it to your customers. Head over to their site, click on Sign Up, and create a free account with your email. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard. Let's pause for a moment here and think about what you should sell. There are tons of niches out there, like funny coffee mugs and custom anime t-shirts. Think about what you're interested in, but don't rely completely on what you think would be nice. Do some research. Here's a quick and easy hack. Type in the keyword that you're interested in into the search bar and see what comes up. If you're into anime, type in anime. I'll type in custom because I think personalized items are pretty great. I'll see these autocomplete suggestions which are based on what people are searching for on Etsy, meaning there's demand for these. I saw the word gift come up a few times, so I'm going to go in the direction of custom gifts. I also specifically saw custom clothing gift come up in my autocomplete suggestions. When I scroll through the results that come up for this, I can see products like hoodies, t-shirts, eye masks, and socks. What's great about the gifts niche is that you can tailor it to trending occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and so on. It's evergreen and seasonal at the same time because people are always giving gifts, whether it's for special occasions that we all celebrate or private occasions like an anniversary. So, my niche is custom clothing gifts. You can follow a similar process to pick your niche with confidence. If what you're interested in happens to be popular, great, go for it. If not, change your niche. Now, head back to Printful. Find the Stores section, click it, then hit Add Product. I'm going for t-shirt because summer's coming up, and it's also the most common and simple option. Then, click Add Design. Now, we need to create the design. You can add a quote or graphic. I'll ask Grok for t-shirt design ideas by describing my niche and what I want. I'll go for the text, best mom, dad, grandma, and a crown on top of the text. Customers can switch out the family member depending on who they're buying this for. Next, go to Canva and search for a t-shirt design template. Here's one I found. Open it up and click Customize this template. I'll change King to Best. For your tagline, I'll change the text to Family Member. This is just placeholder text, and it's what your customers can customize. You can easily change the fonts and icons if you want to. For example, I can delete the crown that's already here. Then, I can click on Elements, search for crown, and click on one of these options. Then, I'd just have to resize and place it where it looks good. Once you're happy with your design, click on Share, Download, and then download this as a PNG file. Now, go back to Printful. Upload your design, pick a few t-shirt colors and sizes, then click Proceed to Mockups to see how it looks. Next, connect it to Etsy. Head over to Etsy and sign up as a seller with your email. Follow the prompts and then link Printful through Shop Manager when you're setting up your shop. List your t-shirt for around $10 to $20, which is enough to cover Printful's fee and leave you a profit. In the listing title and description, make sure to use the phrases from when you did the research earlier. I would title my t-shirt, Personalized T-shirt for Family, Mom, Grandma, Uncle, Husband, Custom Clothing Gift. In the description, make sure to describe details like what the t-shirt is made of and the fact that this would be a great personalized gift to give your loved one. When someone buys, Printful prints and ships the t-shirt to your customer, and you keep what is left after their cut, which is usually a few dollars per sale. It's low risk since you only pay when it sells. My advice is to start with one design. Test it, see if people buy, and adjust based on what they like instead of launching a bunch at once. Side hustle 2. Next is creating and selling digital products. This is about making digital files like planners, art prints, or worksheets on your computer and selling them online, where buyers download them instantly. Etsy is the best place to sell your digital products. Head over to Etsy and set up a seller account if you don't have one already. Etsy will guide you through all the steps. Now let's make a digital product. In Canva, search for a planner template. You'll see plenty of layouts. Pick one that's clean and useful, like a monthly grid with boxes, a to-do list, and notes section. Click Customize this template. We can change the background color to a light pink to make it more unique. We can also click on Monthly Planner and change the text font to Playpen Sans and the size to 50. Play around with it as much as you'd like. This is where you tweak it until it's something you would use yourself, so take a few minutes to get it right. When you're done, click Share at the top right, then Download, and save it as a PDF file. That's your digital product ready. Back on Etsy, log into your shop, go to Listings on the left, and click Add Listing. You'll see a form. Upload your PDF where it says Add Files, drag it in, or click to browse. Set a price at $5, which is fair for buyers and profitable for you after Etsy's fees. In the Type section, choose Digital Download, so Etsy sends it automatically to the customer after a sale. Add a title like Digital Monthly Planner PDF, Digital Download, and a description about organizing your month, maybe saying it's good for goals or schedules. Click Publish, and your listing is live. Share the link on social media to get some attention early. Right now, planners like this are selling on Etsy for $1 to $5, some with hundreds of sales in 2025. And since there's no printing or shipping, every dollar after Etsy's cut is yours. That's what I love about digital products. You make them once, and they can sell forever with no extra work. Side hustle 3. This is my favorite business idea. Faceless YouTube Automation. This is about building a YouTube channel where you stay off camera and earn money through ads, partnerships, or affiliate links. It's ideal if you want to keep your face private but still share content, and horror's just one example of a niche that works well. Other niches that work well are tutorial-based content, like showing how to use AI tools, educational content, like whiteboard animations, and documentary-style videos, like in the history niche. Once you've picked a solid faceless YouTube automation niche, head over to YouTube. Click your profile icon in the top right, then hit Create a Channel. You need a name. If we're making a horror channel, we could go for something like Midnight Ghost Tales. You can brainstorm ideas with Grok by giving this prompt. I'm creating a YouTube channel in the horror niche. Give me 10 unique, short, and memorable channel names. You can use Canva to create your YouTube logo and banner by searching for a template and editing it the way you want, like I showed you in the last 2 side hustles. Then, write a quick description explaining what your channel is about and what subscribers can expect. You can ask Grok for help with this if you need it. Click Create, and you have a good starting point for your channel. Now let's make a faceless horror video. Scary stories do well. Head over to Grok and give a prompt like this. Copy and paste what Grok generates into a Google Doc and make your own edits if you want to. Next, head over to ElevenLabs, sign up for free, and log in. Click on Text to Speech. Copy and paste your script into this box. Click on the voice options here on the right. Search for Scary Voices. Listen to a few samples, and then pick the one you like best that suits your video. Now, generate the voiceover. Have a listen, and either change the settings down here, or if you're happy, go ahead and download the audio file. Next, go to Leonardo AI, sign up for a free account, and log in. Click on Image Creation. Now, think of some images that will match your script. For a scary horror story video, creepy images of dark forests and shadows work well, so I can generate multiple images like this. Just type in your prompt here. Don't overthink it. Just think of general scary images and put it in here because we're going to be using a setting that will add the detail for us. Set your model preset to Phoenix 1.0 or whatever matches your video style. Keep prompt enhance on. This is what will add a lot more detail to your prompt to produce the best results. Change the image dimensions to 16 by 9 for YouTube. Then, click on Generate. Pick the best image and download it. Now, repeat the process until you have enough images for your video. The last thing to do is put everything together. I recommend using CapCut for this because it's free and easy to use. Once you've signed up and set up CapCut, create a new project and drag in your voiceover. Then, drag in your Leonardo AI images. Make sure it's all in order and that it's timed well. You can add effects and transitions easily. Now, go to YouTube's audio library and find a track that suits your video. I'll click on these 3 lines, pick Mood, Dark, then click Apply. Listen to each of these and pick the best one. I'll download this scary-sounding track by clicking on the Download button. Then, I'll upload it to my CapCut project and make sure that it's not too loud. Watch the entire video through. Once you're happy, export your video and upload it to your YouTube channel. For your thumbnail, you can just use your best Leonardo AI image. For the title and tags, I recommend using VidIQ. You can get their free Chrome extension to nudge you in the right direction when you're writing your title and description. Once you've optimized your video, publish it. Repeat the entire process until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. After this, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and get paid for the views that your videos get. You can also promote affiliate links and partner with brands if you're looking for more ways to make money. If you have any questions about YouTube automation or any of these side hustles, I made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you step by step to make your first $1,000 online. When you join AI Income Friends today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description for instant access to everything. Which of these side hustles are you thinking of trying out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.